언제나 함께 있었음 해 모든 게 다 통하니까 Feels like daydreaming 너와 있을 땐 난 I love my life 사라지지만 나의 전부 그 chemistry 이상 너와 the two 힘들었을 때마다 늘 함께 했던 너 눈이 마주쳤던 그 순간 생각을 공유해 우리 둘 사이의 텔레파시 바라보고
Say goodbye to the couch finally. And then we'll have everything here nicely. Yeah. Alright, let's do it then. Hey guys, so I just came back from Mira Henderson and I'm just waiting for my food. They ended up giving me a gift card for saying thank you to doing the video. And honestly, you guys, like I could not have done it without you. And you always telling them that you watch my videos. I just really appreciate all of you guys for just backing me up and supporting my channel. And honestly, like I get to meet really cool people, and the people that work at Mira Henderson are so amazing. So thank you to Aaron, to Linda, and I forgot the other lady's name, but she was super friendly. And honestly, I could not have done this without you guys. So I just appreciate all of you for just again supporting me and my channel. And yeah, for always telling the leasing agents that you saw my video, and that's why you went to go see them. So I just really appreciate you guys so much for just supporting me. So thank you so much. Also, we got rid of our couch. As you can see, there's no couch. So we ended up getting all of our storage stuff and we put it here. We got rid of the couch just because the couch really just, yeah, we don't like the couch anymore, and we've had it for quite a bit. So we were like, you know what, let's just get rid of it. I'm not sure if we're gonna get another couch, but for now, this is gonna have to do, because this is important to us. We have literally all the things that we kept when me and Richard got together at first. But yeah, we have all of our stuff here, and these totes are amazing. I swear to God, I love these totes, you guys, like the yellow ones. They were on special for like $8 something at Costco, so we got 3, and yeah, we absolutely love them. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, if we're gonna get a couch or not. Don't know, but for now, this is gonna have to do. At the pupusa place, so I just ordered my pupusas. I get mine with chicharron and cheese, queso. So I can't wait, I'm so hungry. We just won like a bunch of plushie toys at round 1, so it was fun. And then we just got ourselves like a bunch of junk food for the weekend, so it's gonna be nice. You guys, this is cola champagne. This is delicious. If you ever come to a Salvadorian restaurant, get yourself one of these. It's so freaking good. Oh, that was so good. So what is it called again?
So I guess in Spanish they call it fresco de ensalada, which translates to a salad juice.
Salad juice, yeah.
But
Because it's chopped up.
Yeah, they usually chop up like different little different little fruits like apples, and I think they put like coconut sometimes and things like that. But the juice itself is made out of the cashew seed.
Oh.
and that's what it's
yeah,
used. Yeah, and in Spanish it's called marañón.
Oh yes, I know which one you're talking about.
Let's see. Oh my god.
Let me try it. Last time I had this one was when we went to the one in LA
That's good.
with my dad.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's really good.
So good.
Like traditionally they'll put the apples
Yeah.
and then they'll put I didn't see any in this one, but they'll usually chop up watercress.
Really?
Yeah. This
So
one
good.
doesn't have, but it's good.
I can't wait for pupusas. My freaking tummy is rumbling. I'm so hungry.
Yeah, I'm making them.
Alright guys, so this is a new addition to our family. We got this at Costco because it was pretty cheap, but it gave us the most. So this is what we got. It's the Ninja Crispi portable cooking system, and we're so excited because we're going to cook this meal that looks like that. And yeah, apparently you can do so much with it. And it was $1.59 at Costco. I think normally it ranged like in the twos, right?
Well, we saw it for $1.59, but it had one less.
One less at Target.
Yeah, like they had, like this one comes with 3 of these things here.
Right. It's like a big,
Versus 2.
big, medium, and small. And then you get all this attached to it. So I'm so excited. I'm so hungry too. So let's cook. Ooh, that's nice.
It's a nice color.
Very nice color. And I like that it's glass.
Yeah, thanks.
And then it has like,
That's the attachment that you put over it.
interesting. Ooh, and then you have the lids as well. So you can have it like that and put it in the fridge. That's so good. Well, this is for like you putting the veggies underneath and then the chicken on top. Yeah.
On the Ninja TikTok, they actually demonstrated doing that.
Doing that.
So
Cool.
basically the drippings and the juices from the whatever protein you have on top basically glazes the bottom. We'll have to put that to the test.
I see.
But
And then I think you can buy these by themselves.
yes, I've seen people have a whole bunch in their drawers and stuff.
Interesting.
Yeah, I'll give it.
Oh, okay.
It's that like kind of like round but not as deep as the other one.
Oh, I see. Right, and only Costco gets
I
this
think
one,
so,
right? Yeah, because
the one that you showed me, I don't think had that. It just said 4-piece instead of 2-piece.
oh, that's actually pretty good, huh? You get 3 glass containers. That's not bad. And then you just have to put this on top. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry.
Too, like individually.
Yeah, look. There's this one here. I'll try to get it, but holding the camera. Wow, look, and it's like just like a Tupperware, so it closes.
This one's weird. Look at this one has this little thing here. Do they all have that? No, some of them are lids to cover up the...
Oh, this is so cute. It's like a little mini. Yeah, look. Sweet.
I wonder why... I think this one is supposed to be like the portable one.
Oh, this one here?
Yeah, because look, this kind of clips in there.
Oh.
So I'm guessing like if you... Like, because remember I was telling you some people
Right,
take
it, yeah.
It's like something like this, and all you have to do is pack this thing up.
I'm guessing you put this here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So does it fit for all of them then, technically?
I believe
Oh, I
so,
guess
yeah. Like it's like a stand maybe.
Look at that one.
Ooh.
So I guess these are the 3 main colors you get. And we got that little boy one.
That we did. Hi, Ozzy. What you doing? What you doing? What you doing? Hey, what you doing? Why are you being so naughty for? Nah, I'm just kidding.
Because this one says 5 in 1 function. The other one said 4 in 1.
Yeah.
And the 5th is the Max Crispy. I wonder if this one gets hotter than the one that they were selling at Target.
Maybe it's like the one that on TikTok, like the couple, right?
Yeah, because look, it says keep warm, re-crisp, bake, air fry, and then Max Crispy. Goes all the way up to 450. I think that one only goes up to 400. I think.
Yeah, it does. I'm so excited, you guys. We have asparagus, some zucchini, garbanzo beans, that with some rice and chicken. Chicken should be done, and oh, sorry, you guys have a glare, but yeah, chicken should be done. We're kind of going to have a bowl, like a chicken bowl, delicious bowl. I'm so hungry. I'm just horrible at cooking. I just feel like I'm horrible. No, it ain't.
Yeah.
No, it ain't. Having bugs in your rice is not normal. You're like, Mom, no. I'll chop up all the veggies and stuff. Garbanzo beans. I heard Richie's
Piso nessa areia fina, vejo no mar uma menina. Doce Bahia. Vejo dominó na esquina e banguelo sorrindo de alegria. Doce Bahia. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capelinha.
Oh, when I saw the turtle, I was like,
Sinto do Abaeté o cheiro do acarajé da Cirá. Doce Bahia. O pivete é o meu filho. Dá troco e fecha o vidro. Doce Bahia. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina. Enquanto na ondina tem jacaré e capilinha. No alto da ladeira, aperitivo e piscina.
it has gone down.
Enquanto na
Have to, like,
ondina
mix it up and say.
tem jacaré e capelinha. Lá, 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 lá. Tem jacaré e capelinha. Lá, lá, lá.
아직도 나 여기 흐릿하게 떠 희미하겠나 아니 자주 난 어제 일처럼 선명하겠나 너의 흔적 없지만 있는 것 같아 일상 속에도 번져 그 색깔이 바래져서 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남았어 I just wanna be remembered 너의 잔상 속에 살면서 oh yeah I just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남았어 I just wanna be with you babe I just 너의 의자에 남아있는 온기를 느껴 때때로 먼지 덮인 그 잔들이 시간을 멈춰 떠났지만 여전히 머물러 날 잡아주는 너 다가가도 멀게만 느껴져 Just wanna be with you right now 너의 기억 속에 남아서